Today we're going to unbox the Sirui 9-foot 2-inch or slash 2.8 millimeter heavy duty light stand, model number DJ280. Picked these up at Glazier's Cameras in Seattle for $29 each at their Photo Fest. A little bit of soda. Well, the first thing on selecting this was the salesman. He said this was the neatest one they've seen recently. These are metal components on a lot of it. A little twist or plastic, but these are metal. It's got spring loaded. Let's see, how does this work? Okay, here it is all unfolded at the lowest setting. There's the spring loading. So you got two spring loads in both of them, on both sections. That's what spring loading does for you. Say, okay, I'll let this one down. Oh, but I forgot that one. It's not air cushion, but for 29 bucks, can't beat it. Here's what I like about this stand. Metal components. Metal. Metal, metal, metal. Spreader bars, metal. Everything's metal. It's great.